All right, so here's an update. I got the Turbis petcock, works great. Actually, the bike fired up, no problem, right away. So, and then I also got the chain slider, so that's on there, no problem. It comes with the old one had the clips. Got the wire brush, clean them up, no problem. So got that installed. I have a new chain and sprocket that we're gonna also put on it. But I do know about this countershaft, but check this out. So yeah, definitely, hopefully this thing's not smoked, and I can go ahead and get a new sprocket for the front, see what's going on. But yeah, that's concerning. So hopefully, like I said, it's not. If it is, hey, I will figure out what I got to do to get that taken care of. But as far as everything else, look, this thing, key, starts right up. Starts right up, no problem. And it was been sitting since the last video, so it's probably 2 weekends ago. So, but fresh fuel, everything's good to go. So yeah, let me just show you real quick. Got new sprocket, new chain. So that's also, you know, that's gonna come next. But first, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the sprocket. Thanks for the comments in the video below, or the other video about the sprocket. I did watch the whole build on the 650 on the Rocky Mountain, and yeah, I definitely need to do for sure the sprocket upgrade, and then I'll figure out all the rest. But thanks for stopping by, and we will continue this project. Almost done.